Now I charge the 4 psi. So I had to stop the motor and see how much rise up the pressure of the gas. I'm gonna turn off the motor. Pressure is rising up. It had to reach 60. It's overcharged. Reach 80. But I wanna see if I start the motor and cool like this. If it's working well, I'm gonna leave it overcharged. I'm gonna start the motor. If it's necessary, if the motor in any moment start and stop, I'm gonna take a little bit of gas. Because it's very hot the motor. This is the low pressure that it have. I can take a little of gas to don't leave it so much overcharge. I gonna open a little bit this to take out just a little of gas. I took out just a little, and now the pressure is like this. And it's ready. Now I have to see it full.